Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of creating a delicious, low-carb, high-protein bread that's perfect for your keto lifestyle. Ingredients: 2 cups of Lupin flour and 4 cups of almond flour, and 4 cups of ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 4 large eggs, and a 4 cup of olive oil, and a 4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. First, combine Lupin flour, almond flour, ground flaxseed, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In another bowl, whisk together eggs, olive oil, almond milk, and apple cider vinegar. Now, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, stirring until it forms a dough. Place the dough onto a lined baking sheet. Shape it into a loaf and sprinkle sesame seeds on top for that extra crunch. Now pop it into the oven at 350 def 175 dg for about 30-35 minutes or until it's beautifully golden. Our Lupin Flour Keto Bread is ready. Just look at that golden perfection. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like